Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, always cooking in the kitchen. We are so glad to be back. This is Cooking in the Kitchen with
Morgan and
Jody. Hi, I'm the Chaska Library Branch Manager for Carver County Library. And this is my daughter and best cooking sidekick, Morgan. We are so glad to be back. We hope you had a wonderful and safe summer. Did you have a good summer, Morgan?
Yes, I did.
It's fantastic. She is back and starting first grade, which is very exciting. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! So, and who knows, one of our dogs, especially Duke, may make a special appearance at any time. So we'll get started here. So a few weeks ago, I was checking out the library's catalog online on the website, and I did a search for kids and family recipe books.
And we found this book right here. And it's sponsored by American Girl.
Yeah, it's put out by the American Girl Company in collaboration with Williams-Sonoma, which is a cooking store that has some incredible recipes.
And we would want to go all the places around the world, but since we can't. And where would you like to go?
Oh, where would I like to go?
Yeah.
I know where you'd like to go. Where would you like to go?
I like to go to Paris. Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Paris with you. How about Italy? What do you think about that for some
That'd be
pasta
fun.
and pizza?
And I also want to go to Iceland, and my dad wants to go to
Alaska. So we have, grand dreams to travel someday.
And we are making chicken wings.
So this book is called Around the World. And they feature recipes from all around the world. And this one is an Indian-inspired tandoori chicken wing recipe with a delicious yogurt sauce. Well, we hope it's delicious. We've never tried it yet, so we're super excited. Okay, so we're gonna walk you through all the ingredients and then we'll mix it up. All right, so first of all, we need 3/4 cup of plain whole milk yogurt. So plain
That's what ours looks like?
Yep, that's what I picked up at the store. Then next up is a tablespoon of tomato paste. So you just grab one of these little cans. You won't obviously use it all, so you can save it in your refrigerator for another recipe. What's next? Oh yes, a tablespoon of
Lemon juice.
fresh lemon juice. Although we're just using fresh from, I bought this at the store. We like to have that handy in the fridge for cooking. And then, yes, 2 teaspoons of something called garam masala, which is an Indian-inspired spice, but it's actually a mixture of a lot of things, Morgan.
Let's smell it.
Let's smell it. What do you think?
It smells like garlic, and it smells like a lot of things mixed into it.
It's going to be a flavor explosion on your palate, right?
Okay.
What's your palate? Means when you're tasting your food, right?
Next, we have
A teaspoon of something called ground turmeric, which is a very bright color. Can you
See?
show them the color?
that.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
kind of the color of mustard.
the smell.
Interesting. All right. And that's often used in curry. Okay, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to give it a little zip.
Would you like a zip in your chicken wings?
I would love a zip. You maybe not so much, but we'll see if it's too spicy or not for you. But we'll give it a whirl.
Then we want
1 teaspoon of salt.
and we use
You remember what it's called? Kosher salt. Kosher salt. It really brings out the flavor I found in cooking. So it's just a great staple to keep in your cupboard.
yes.
All right. And then, of course, 3 pounds of chicken wings. And we have the little chicken wings and drumettes.
We got this bowl full of chicken wings.
Yep.
3 pounds.
3 pounds.
All that.
And we try to not handle the chicken wings with our hands, but if we do, what do we need to do after?
Wash your hands.
With soap and water, right? Yep. So we're not having that cross-contamination and keeping our hands clean with our cooking experiences. I'm a big proponent of that. So
And also, we have
2 tablespoons.
of
And what's the other utensil? You have a little teaspoon down there as well.
yes.
Okay, So let's get started. This is gonna be, it's pretty quick, pretty easy. You ready? You wanna dump the yogurt in?
I will.
So, we're gonna add that yogurt in, and we might need, should we use the spatula? This is our happy cupcake spatula.
No.
Yep.
Wait,
Let's see.
can I do it?
Yep, you bet. Go for it.
Clean that out.
Clean that all the way out.
Would you like to do some?
Sure, I would love to.
Just gotta get that out.
Because teamwork makes the...
Dream work.
It's more fun to cook together.
Yeah.
For sure. All right. Okay, so we got that in. Next up is our tablespoon of tomato paste. Yep, so we're gonna, yep, exactly, Morgan. A tablespoon of tomato paste.
We're doing this one.
So just scoop that right out of there. Perfect. Yep, that looks great.
And then dump it?
Yep, dump it, and we might have to sometimes with that tomato paste. Yeah, I'll help you out, okay?
It looks like, I don't know. It looks like tomato paste.
Yep. Okay, next up, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice.
This one?
The larger one, that tablespoon, yep.
We're using this one this time.
I have a couple of tablespoons handy so that when you have, depending on dry or wet ingredients, then,
And I'm gonna do it.
you know, don't have to mix those up. And she likes to go over, she's going over the sink, I've taught her well, so that she doesn't drip everywhere else. Or maybe it was Grandma that has taught her well, one of her grandmas. So a little bit more, hun, all the way to the top. And, oh, now's the trick. Here, I'll bring the bowl over. That's okay, good job. We got that lemon juice in there. Come on back up. You can set that there, okay? All right, and next up, oh, I'm so excited for 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Here comes Duke. He's kind of curious what's going on. Yep, so 2 teaspoons of that.
Alright.
Does that one fit in there? Yep. And then just shake off so it's not. Yep, there you go.
Okay.
Perfect. Great.
One
One.
more.
I know, and cooking, like I've said before, is such a great thing. Even for real youngsters to start thinking about like counting, the math numbers. Yep, perfect. Kind of the science behind cooking and all the fractions as they get older with school, and what a fun activity to learn about those things together. Okay, so we are up to, we need a teaspoon, this one of the turmeric, of the bright colored one.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yep, I am so ready.
That one good?
Yeah, maybe a little, yep, just kind of level that off like Grandma taught you.
Oh.
Yep, there you go, perfect. We'll
Oops,
clean
I
that up.
dropped some.
That's okay.
One?
And
One
just
more?
one. No, just one. And then we're going to get our kosher salt. So we need that teaspoon again.
This one?
Yep. And this one, can I help you with it?
No, I got it.
Okay.
I do. Can you open the garbage for me?
Oh, you can do it over the sink. It's okay. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. All right, bring it on over. And then last but not least, we will need a 4th teaspoon of that cayenne zippy pepper, right?
Alright. Which one?
Oh, I forgot. I need a 4th teaspoon. Mom saves the day. All right.
Alright. Let's dig in.
Yep, perfect.
One?
Yep, just one of those, just a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so,
Time to mix it?
yep,
Can I try?
yep, you bet. You start, and then I'll help you. And then what's going to happen next is we're going to put these in the refrigerator
For 30 minutes.
for 30 minutes because you really want those flavors to kind of soak in. And you're going to cover it, so I'll probably just put some plastic wrap. If you happen to have a bowl that has a cover, that works great. And then you certainly, the recipe calls for broiling them in the oven.
Oh no.
When you get to that point, that's okay. No worries. The recipe calls for broiling them.
Okay.
We're going to do them on our grill, actually, outside. And so we'll probably cook them at about 325 or 350. And generally with our wings, I would say 30 to 40 minutes is about how long they take. Sometimes not even that long, but So there's really different ways that you can approach cooking them. You could bake them too, I'm sure. So I think the broiling kind of gives them a little bit more of that crispy blackened component. All right, Morgan, so I think this is looking really good. You want to see?
It looks like mustard and ketchup mixed together.
It kind of does. I think you're right. Absolutely. All right,
and
so
as you can see, I got that yellow one.
mm-hmm. So we're gonna get these going in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna start on the dipping sauce, the yogurt sauce.
Yes.
All right, so we'll be back in just a moment. We'll put these in the fridge, and we'll be back in a moment making up our yogurt sauce.
Welcome back to Cooking in the Kitchen.
We are back for segment 2, and we're going to be making the
Yogurt sauce.
yogurt sauce. All right, so let's get started.
First we need...
Yep, we can go ahead and mix up right away this time. What are you doing, crazy cooking gal?
We have the yogurt.
Mm-hmm. All right, we need that bowl. Okay, so we're gonna put that yogurt in. A three-quarter cup yogurt again, the same yogurt that you used in the chicken sauce. So just again, that whole milk plain yogurt. So go ahead and empty that all out, Miss Morgan. All right, how are we doing? I'm really excited to try this sauce and dip my wings in it. It should be delicious. You can set the cup aside. And then the next part of the recipe calls for grated lemon zest from a whole lemon and lemon juice.
So I am going to cut this, and you also have to do it from your own lemon. You have to do it.
So we already zested it just to save some time.
And I'm going to cut it.
All right, Morgan's gonna very carefully cut it. Yep, I'll help you a little bit. If you are Morgan's age, you might need a little assistance with the cutting part, right, Miss Morgan?
Yeah.
Just to be on the safe side. All right, flip that one over. And, okay, so what we're gonna do here, we've got that beautiful lemon zest, and can you scrape that right into your yogurt? It's gonna give it a really fresh lemony taste. Gonna be very zesty, right? Okay, now next up,
we have the lemon.
yep, so do you want to squeeze some lemon juice in there? Can you get it? Good job. Ooh, that smells so good.
I want to take the can I lick it a little bit?
Well, since it's just Mom and Dad eating it, yes, you can lick it. Oh boy, and we got Mr. Duke over here misbehaving, so I'm gonna take care of him for a moment. All right. Okay, let's get the rest of that juice in there.
Sorry.
Oh, the next part is gonna be Mom's favorite part, because you need a teaspoon of fresh chopped cilantro. Fresh chopped cilantro. Smell this, Morgan.
That smells delicious.
Yeah, we love cilantro, especially when we have taco night on Taco Tuesday. Now it says chopped. You know what I like to do? Instead of chopping with a knife, I just like to take my kitchen shears.
Can I try?
Yep, you betcha.
I will be careful.
Yep, you be careful. Yep, and just chop that fresh cilantro right in there. You might have to go check on Duke for me. Yep, we want to be careful. We don't need any injuries on our Facebook Live program, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to chop that up. Again, I love using my kitchen shears rather than having to chop it up. Works really well. And then I'll chop it up a little bit more in here. Maybe a little bit extra.
Just to make it more yummy.
I love fresh cilantro. It just smells so
Now do you have
wonderful.
to mix it up?
Yeah, we need to add a little bit of ground salt and pepper to taste.
Alright, I'll do it. Should I do the salt first or the pepper?
Let's do some salt first, my dear. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Should I come in behind you with the
Can I
pepper?
do it?
Yep, you bet. That's great. Yep.
I don't think we need too much pepper.
No, but your dad can always add more if he wants it a little zippier with the pepper, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now can I mix it?
Now you can mix it. Mm-hmm.
It's a very fun thing to mix if you're younger like me.
Yeah, it looks great.
It's very it's easy to mix, which is amazing, and it's always good because it looks super like a ranch.
Looks delicious.
And you can see it makes it more juicy when when it has lemon juice in it, and it also makes it more look good with the cilantro and the little lemons in it, and it looks amazing. Now, what do you want to do?
Well, we're done with that. Would you like to taste test? And then we'll throw this in the fridge.
Sure.
Our chicken is still kind of marinating in the refrigerator.
That's delicious.
Excellent. So we will put this in the fridge. We'll be ready, and we'll be back with a finished product and a big taste test at the end. What do you think?
Good.
All right. We'll see you for the next segment in just a moment.
Welcome back to Cooking in the Kitchen.
With
Morgan.
and Jodi. So we just pulled the wings off the grill.
And we want to taste test them now.
Let's show you how they turned out.
That's how they looked.
They look delicious. And there's our yogurt sauce.
I'm going to try without the yogurt sauce first.
Okay. You ready?
Hot.
Whoops. That happens with wings. They're kind of messy, right?
I really like them.
Nice flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to dip some in the sauce. The lemon really brings out the flavor. Wings are very messy, but very delicious.
Yep.
Well, what's the verdict? Do we have a winner?
I like the outlet sauce.
That's okay. That's why some people like it with the sauce, some without. I think we did great. High five for my cooking partner. Duke didn't even interrupt us that much today, did he?
No, he did not.
No. Should we let Duke say goodbye to everybody? All right, come here, Duke. Come
Duke.
say goodbye. Up.
Up.
Oh, yeah.
He says goodbye to everyone.
And he sure would like the chicken, but no chicken wings for you tonight. All right, thanks for watching Cook in the Kitchen. We'll see you in October.
Bye.